Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block Find My iPhone app. So you want to go to Settings. From there you want to click on Privacy and Security, and please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. From there you want to click on Location Services and then Share My Location. As you can see, Find My iPhone is turned on, and if you want to turn it off, I will just click on the first thing and that would disable it. You can change your location, see your location, even share my location, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some questions or issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll help you in the comments down below.